Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clear Reddit cache in browser. So clearing the Reddit cache in your browser can help fix issues like slow loading, outdated content, login problems, or pages not displaying correctly. So you can clear cache data for Reddit so you don't lose cache files for other websites. So open Chrome and go to reddit.com, then sign into your account. Next, click the padlock or site settings icon to the left of the address bar. So click this icon right here, then go to cookies and site data. Then select manage on device site data. Now in here, click this delete button beside Reddit and click done. Then reload Reddit page. Sign into your account. Now another thing you can do is to go to the settings or the three dots in the top right corner. Then scroll down and go to settings. Next, go to privacy and security. Next, go to delete browsing data. Choose the time frame at the top. Then select cache images and files and cookies. And click delete data to confirm the action. And that's basically it. So clearing the cache removes temporary website files but does not delete your Reddit account, posts, messages, etc. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.